Many traditional Feng Shui schools recommend placing your bed with the headboard against a solid wall. For centuries, this has been considered one of the foundations of a restful bedroom. But modern homes weren't designed hundreds of years ago. Large windows, open floor plans, and designer furniture often make that arrangement difficult, or even impossible. And that's okay. Your bedroom isn't bad Feng Shui simply because it doesn't match an ancient floor plan. However, if you do have the option, try one small experiment. Move your bed so the headboard rests firmly against a solid wall. Then don't ask whether your luck has changed. Ask something much simpler. Does the room feel calmer? Do you fall asleep a little more easily? Do you wake up feeling just a bit more settled? Sometimes, the biggest difference isn't mystical. It's psychological. When there's a solid surface behind you, your bedroom often feels more stable, more grounded, and more complete. That sense of support can quietly change the way you experience the entire room. You don't need expensive renovations. You don't need to chase perfect Feng Shui. Sometimes a small adjustment is enough. Live with it for a few nights. Pay attention to how your bedroom feels. If nothing changes, you've lost nothing. If it helps, you've improved your space with one simple decision. The masterclass is linked below. This is the Feng Shui Creator. Style your flow. Design your life.